In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can check your mouse DPI on Windows 11. If this helps you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
Alright, so quick one guys, come to start, come to settings. Now, it's better just come to mouse settings. So go ahead and search for mouse settings. Now go ahead and open up mouse settings over here. After that, scroll down till you see additional mouse settings. Click on that, and then you'll be directed to this page. Now, over here, come and make sure that the speed is set to the medium in the middle, okay? Then click on the pointer. Also, make sure that it is set to the work in the background, this one over here. Now, after that, just click on close this. After that, open up your Chrome browser. Then search for DPI Analyzer. Once you search for DPI Analyzer, you see this first website over here, this one over here. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, as you tap on this first website, you'll see you'll be on the DPI Analyzer. Okay, so after that, just click on these units. Now, select inches. Then for the axis, select left. Actually, select right. Then for the target distance, you can choose like 8. Then configure DPI, you can choose like 5. Now you see here it says DPI ready. Now just click on this and then drag it like this. Okay. You can see as you drag it, it will then start analyzing your DPI. Once you reach the target, it will then show green. Once you go beyond the target, it will show red. Okay. Basically, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. For my case, this actual DPI is 5.13. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe.